So guys, today welcome to my channel. I am cooking moi moi palm oil moi moi. To cook this, I am going to use only few ingredients on this recipe. I'm using beans, egg, paprika, pepper and ginger, and I'm going to blend everything together. After blending, I add my curry, add thyme, add stock cube and curry fish, which is optional, but fish will give it a very good taste and make it yummy. So I am going to add my oil to this, and I need to add a lot of oil to this recipe, and I am going to stir to my desired texture. You can add more water if you want. Now I am going to pour them in two plates. One is going in the oven, the other one is going to be cooked on the pot. That takes 25 minutes, but this oven one will take up to 40 minutes before it is ready in the oven. So I kind of prefer the one to cook in the pot, but this one is very presentable, so you don't need to. It's very presentable when you are dishing out the food. And I am going to add eggs to this. You can add fish. Fish is good. You can add mackerel fish to this and you will sure like it. So it's time for me to add the eggs. And it is ready to be placed in the oven. I am going to place it in the oven in 190 degrees Celsius is what I'm going to cook it with, and I'm going to allow it to cook before I come out. So I have placed them on a rack already, and this is the plate. If you want this plate and you are living in the UK, I can show you where you can buy this plate. It is very handy and it lasts longer. Yes, I am going to cook this for 25 minutes. I kind of prefer using the plate to cook the moi moi. So please, for your own take, before you put this palm oil moi moi, just spray the plate. Otherwise, the oil is a little bit will stick, make the moi moi stick on the plate. So I am now covering it for it to cook, and that one has gone to the oven. Look at how they look like. Isn't that beautiful? I love to eat palm oil moi moi, and I guess it's very healthy. Thank you for watching. Until I come your way next time. See you soon.